Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about frequency separation. Before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. So without any further ado, let's begin. So what is frequency separation? Frequency separation is a technique for creating smooth skin with Photoshop. The process puts high and low frequency information onto different layers. The high frequency information is about fine details. These include hair, texture, pores, fine lines, and skin imperfections. The lower frequency carry information about shadows, tone, and colors. Separating low and high frequency information onto different layers means that you can retouch one without affecting the other. You can smooth the skin texture without affecting the color, or you can enlighten shadows without changing the skin texture. So what I'm going to do now is to show you how you can create a frequency separation. So first of all, click on your background layer. Make sure you duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard. And now click layer 1 where the layer 1 is. Double click it and you can rename it to whatever you want. So for instance, this one will be the lower frequency. Duplicate it again and double click on the lower frequency copy to rename it and name it higher frequency. So now you have your lower frequency and the higher frequency. Highlight the two and Ctrl J to group it. So now you can name your group frequency separation. Now click on it and click on this arrow. Now you have your higher frequency and your lower frequency. Now what I want you to do is to disable the higher frequency by disable the eye icon here. So click on it and now go to filter. Make sure you click on your lower frequency and go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and make sure you blur it till the textures disappear. And now I think the blurriness 10 is okay for me. Depending on your resolution of the picture, make sure you blur it accordingly. Let me bring it to 11. 11 is cool. So now you can press OK. The next thing I want you to do is to enable the higher frequency and click on the higher frequency. Go to image and go to apply image. With the layer, go to lower frequency and blending option, choose subtract and your scale set it to 2 and your offset 128. So you are supposed to get something like this. Now you can click OK Make sure your highlight is still on the higher frequency and come to the blending mode. Click on this and choose linear light. And this is it. You have finished creating your frequency separation. So now we are going to smoothen the face using the mixer brush tool. But before we do that, click on the lower frequency and go to brush and pick your mixer brush tool. Instead of fluid brush, select the clean brush so that your brush will be clean. The weight, make sure it's 14 below the 75, mix is 90, flow is 16. So now all you need to do is to make sure you click on the lower frequency and you start painting. Make sure you follow the direction of the texture so it goes from left to right. Let's reduce the weight to around 4. 4 is good now. So let's keep on brushing. Keep on painting. Keep on painting to smoothen the skin. Now we have a smooth skin. The next thing I want us to do is to remove the pimples of the face. So click on the higher frequency and now choose your clone stamp tool and hold out to select and paint, and all your pimples will be gone. Now let's come back to our lower frequency and pick our mixer brush tool. And now let's continue with the neck. Let's keep on painting. Now I think we are almost done. Let's paint the nose a little bit. I think I think it's okay now. So let's look at the before and the after. This is the before and this is the after. Before, after. Now we have a smooth skin. At the same time, the skin textures are maintained. These are the textures. As you can see, the skin pores and the hair. These techniques smoothing the skin at the same time maintaining the texture. So this is what frequency separation is all about. If you want, you can record the frequency separation using the action. I have done a tutorial on that, so you can click up there. So thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.